channel. So it is Vlogtober day 10, you guys. Woo! We got a long way to go, but it's day 10. So this is gonna be a simple video, you guys, because today is my 20th anniversary and I'm trying to give you guys a video real quick before I have to get ready to celebrate with the hubby. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some costume ideas that you can find at your local Family Dollar. And the reason why I'm doing these little costume DIYs with my kiddos, because we are going to be outside, and these are some little fun little accessories that you can match with something that your kids already have at home. Now, one of the outfits that I wanted to purchase for my little one, they was out, so I have to go back and pick that one up, but I'm gonna share with you the two that I have, and then I'm gonna make a separate video putting these outfits together with the kiddos. So let's get right into it. So let's start off with the first accessory to pair with a DIY costume. So my son loves dinosaurs, and I found this cute little dinosaur hat at my local Family Dollar, and they had tons of colors at my Family Dollar, and this was only $1, you guys. Now don't worry, I'm going to show you in a separate video how I pair this with what he already has at home and makeup and everything. So you guys stay tuned for that video. So the next costume DIY accessory I found is this cute little 3-piece cat accessory. My baby wants to be a LOL cat. She is into LOL dolls, so she wanted to be a LOL cat. So I'm going to show you how I pair this cute little accessory with a homemade DIY costume in the next video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this small little video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. On your way out, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.